Hey guys, it's your boy Twink, back with another video, and today we are back with some more Khan Economy. And now, last video, I said I was going to watch these off video because I thought it was a quiz with them, and I did, so I did that. I got some energy points out of it. I don't know what they do, and maybe I can get a car if I get enough, I don't know. But they just lead to the quiz that I already took. So now, we are going to go back to second grade, and I think what was in my mind last time to start doing was data. So, let's just start off. We'll watch the videos later so I don't get copyright strike, but let's just do the practice. Okay, let's see what we can do. Alright, so, okay, banana, monkey, banana. Where is banana? Okay, so now we just gotta graph this 2 banana, and then 6 banana, and then 5 banana. Then check that. That's good, nice. Okay. Monkey book? A lot of monkeys today. Monkey. It's if I did it on a Friday, it would have been great. It'd be funny Monkey Friday. I mean, it's Wednesday. I think there's like a Wednesday monkey thing. I mean, there could be a monkey any day of the week. You know? San Diego has the most monkeys. If I counted right. I did count right. Oh, we got flowers now. Flowers are lame because it's not funny monkey. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam! Next question. Alright. Bone. How many people did the dogs kill? That's definitely they split up a person and killed them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And yeah. Nice. Next thing. 3, 4, 6. Nice. Okay, ice cream. Okay, oh, I gotta keep track too. Damn, only 2 on a Wednesday? Wow, that's not a lot. 3. That would be 6. I don't know why Wednesday peaked all of a sudden. Thursday is 4, 2, 4, 6, 7. Friday makes sense it would peak, but why Wednesday? Not even like Thursday? Whatever. Pony rides. Alright, so Ming did 4. Wendy did 3. I don't know how to pronounce that. Did 6. And that's not this is 6. That's 6. And bam! 100%. Boom! Another thing done. Alright, next. Solve problems with picture graphs. Start. Ready to start. Let's go. Alright. Pony club is lunch. How many ponies? Whatever. How many ponies ate lunch? I mean, that's just counting. So 4, 3, 2. Is that 4, 2, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Bam. Alright. So we gotta count again. How many more apples did Sophia eat than Laura? That would be 2 more apples, it seems. Cool. Nice. 14 toy whales. How many toy whales does Lena have? This is easy counting. That's 3. Collected 50 man. Ooh, monkey! Monkey! Bobo and Giggles. Oh, of course you're going to make me count the biggest one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 tricks each. Huh? Oh, shoot, I did a slash by accident. Nice. Got 4. Alright, so now we're going to do the quiz. Okay. Nut. How many nuts does Ray use? Ray, what? Oh, 1, 2. Oh wait, total nuts 2, 3, 6, and then that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I might have accidentally pressed a slash and it ruins it. Oh, I have to count 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6, 7. Alright. We doing good. Next question. Okay, money. Richmond has 2, 4, 6, 7. Then dollar bill. 7 minus 3 will be 4. Okay, I don't know why I showed them that. 3, 2, 5, 1. How high does this go up to? Alright, nice. We got ladybugs. How many ladybugs are on the slide? 2, 4, 6, 8. Bam. Done. Neato. Got 100 on the quiz. Alright, next. Make bar graphs. Okay. Ready to practice. Let's see what you can do. Okay, 8 peppers. How do I drag this? Okay. 5 onions and 6 tomatoes. Bam. What is this? Label each part. Oh, okay, I can just touch it. So this is pecans. Okay. Walnuts is at 5. You are almonds. And you are the cashews. And then bam. Nice. Okay, okay. Our teacher has lunch. I'm just gonna do it like that so I can see them. So she has 10 stamps, 9 stickers, 3 glitter pens, 6 markers. If I do this fast enough, hopefully I can finish this in the 15 minutes that the recorder allows, hopefully. Also, I have Screencast-O-Matic, but I don't know, I just didn't feel like using it at first. Maybe I'll switch to it. I'll probably switch to it after this episode. Okay, Bulldog. Bulldog's at 7, so Bulldog there. Poodle is Poodle. The Colby, and then what was I didn't do? Boxer. Bam. Nice. 50 matching points. Soccer goes up to 8. Football goes up to a 5. Tennis goes up to a 3. Volleyball goes to 10. Bam. Okay, next question. Last question. 3 pencils, 7 crayons, 2 pens, 1 marker. Bam. 7 out of 7. All done. Nice. All right, we're 57 way there. Why don't I do this again? I have to do it again? Alright, I'll do it again then. It wants me to do it again. How many people did the fair hire? This would be 5, 7, 18, and then 27 people. You know, on my alarm clock when I get up, I have this app, and it makes me do like mental math in the morning, like 3 numbers, just add them. And that's like interesting. So like this 7, 8, 3, 7, and 3 will combine to make 10, 18, 29, and then 41 if I did that correctly in my head. Ah, crap, I didn't do it right. Okay. Shoot. Didn't melt right. Did the math wrong. Crap. 12, 11, that would be 13, 16, 24, and then, let me think. It would be 31. I did the math. What? No, I'm not moving on. 33? I don't know. What am I doing wrong? Wait, why don't I know math? 7, 8, 3, 11, 12. Wait. 3, 11, 14, 26, right? This would be 20. This is 26. This would be 34, and this should be 41. I'm a dum. I wasn't reading the question. Pink and yellow is literally just 15. All right, I messed that up. It's fine. We'll redo this. How many more pickles and onions are there? Pickles and onions. There are 3, 8, 5. 5 more pickles. Which ones have the same amount of alligators? Danger and bite. Nice. How many dollars do they all have? This is adding them all up. 12, 5. Yes, all yes. Funny name, theoretical name, Bob. Of course, Bob. They love doing Bob and problems. 7, 10, 5, and 12. So this is, we can make this 15. I'm going to do this 24, 29, and then $26. Okay, no. Oh, no. I guess 25? No. Shoot. 5, 7, 10, 12, 22, 27. Oh, 27. So they have like 19 now. I got 25 before, so it's 22. 21, 23, 20, 19, Wait, 10, that's 22. This would make it 29. Oh, 34. Even more than I thought. That's a good amount of money. Voted milk or juice. So milk is 10, 15. I looked at water. Milk and that means there was 19 kids. Okay, how many fewer mermaids are on the island? On the beach in the island. 6. Oops. I did bad on that. That wasn't a mastery one. Yeah, try it again. Oh shoot, did I make it go down? Oh no, I made it down now. Oh no. It went down. That is not good. Should we just do, let's try again. Show us what we can do. Okay, I gotta pick down. Which dragon goes, okay, Sparky is at the mid flame. So, this. The wings goes in the middle. Okay, that's one right. How many in the class? 12, 20, 31, 40. That's a nice number. The nice round numbers. I like that. How many books did Marlon read in total? 4, 9, 13. Look at these nice numbers. How many more bricks does she need? What do you mean? Do they want 3? That's a poorly worded question. I had this question and I got it wrong. I think I did. If you are on the beach, then the island. There's 4, 10, 6. Like I said, right before this. Okay, this is the thing. I didn't look at this. 8, 7. That's 15. All right. How many total people did the fair? What? Okay, whatever. 9, 20, 2, and then, wait, so 9, 20, 22, 27. 27 people. And mastery! Nice. Okay, 62%. I need to get the mastery, but let's try this again. Okay. Click the above plot line to make dots for each measurement. So that means you are 29, 45, 47, 47, 48. Boom. Oh my, I accidentally clicked 3 times. Crap. That's stupid. Whatever. 2, 3. Get rid of that. 7, 10. 10. Okay. Stripes are 46, 49, 47, 47, 46. Three, 7, 10, 12. 15, 20, 16, 17, 17, shoot, 19, 15. Okay, nice. Another pencil question. Nice, I like it. But now there's 2 of the same size. Okay. 17, 15, 17. Actually 2 on that. I did not get a mastery, but that's fine. Well, let's go to the next one for now. Already practice, show us what you can do. Okay, how many, okay, that's 4. Like the row, how many are graphed? Oh, I have to count, but this is weird now. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 are on the graph. How many alien arms are longer than 96 centimeters? It means 2, 4, 6. So 6 arms. Cereal boxes are shorter than 21. That means only 3. And that was it. Easy. GG's. Alright, so let's try this again. Let's do this one again. I messed up. Oh wait, we can't actually. You know what? Alright, I'm just gonna do that in the next recording because what's it called? We can finish that. Yeah, do that. And then when we take the test, we'll get mastery on everything before we take the quiz. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.